In this video, we take a look at an overview of the organizational units in purchasing. In the SAP system, purchasing is a central component of the materials management process. To control the processes efficiently, various organizational units are defined, each with specific tasks and responsibilities. Organizational units in purchasing ensure that procurement processes are efficient, transparent, and traceable. They determine who makes which decisions, how materials are procured, and how costs and deliveries are monitored. This structure enables companies to ensure that purchasing is seamlessly integrated into financial accounting, warehouse management, and higher-level business processes. The purchasing organization is the central unit in purchasing. It is responsible for the procurement of materials and services, pricing, and negotiations with suppliers. A purchasing organization can be assigned to one or more company codes, depending on whether purchasing is organized centrally or decentrally. The company code represents a legally independent company within the SAP system. All financial postings resulting from purchasing processes are assigned to a company code so that the financial data can be consolidated correctly. The plant refers to the physical location where materials are produced or stored. The plant and purchasing organization are linked so that purchasing can precisely control which materials are procured for which plant. The storage location specifies where materials are managed within a plant. It is important for inventory management and logistics planning, as it influences where materials are available and how they are moved within the company. Purchasing info records link suppliers and materials and store price information, conditions, and delivery times. This standardizes and automates recurring procurement processes. All organizational units in purchasing are closely linked and influence each other. The purchasing organization controls central procurement processes and defines the framework conditions, while the company code ensures that all financial transactions are correctly assigned and posted. The plant defines the physical location of procurement or production, and the storage locations ensure that materials are stored efficiently and are available. Purchasing info records link suppliers, materials, and conditions, enabling standardized order processing. This integrated structure ensures that purchasing is efficiently, transparently, and seamlessly integrated into finance and warehousing. In summary, the organizational units in purchasing form the backbone of the procurement processes in the SAP system. The clear assignment of responsibilities and the structured division into company codes, plants, and storage locations ensure that materials are procured efficiently, costs are controlled, and deliveries are reliably managed. A well-maintained organizational structure makes it possible to make purchasing transparent, optimize processes, and ensure seamless integration with finance and warehousing.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.